ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಮರ್ಮವನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಈಗ ಪೊಯಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿಲಂ ಸಾಂಗ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿದಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲಿತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಗಿಮಿಕ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಿಲಂ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಪಟ್ಟನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಪೊಯಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪಾಠನ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ.
ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಪರ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಹ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Imagine walking into a classroom where math tables come alive through music, where English poems dance to karaoke beats, and magic reveals the secrets of science. This isn't a dream, it's the revolutionary All India One-Man School Orchestra program brought to you by Manjanadi Mangaluru from Dakshina Kannada. This groundbreaking educational entertainment program is completely aligned with your school curriculum. Whether you follow the Karnataka government syllabus, CBSE or ICSE, this program is 100% supplementary to your prescribed textbooks. It's designed specifically to make learning subjects like Kannada, Hindi, English poems and math tables not just educational, but absolutely engaging for both teachers and students. What makes this program truly special is its innovative approach to teaching. Picture your favorite film songs transformed into learning tools, devotional music carrying the rhythm of multiplication tables, folk melodies weaving through language lessons, and DJ beats making grammar come alive. The program uses new film karaoke music, devotional music, folk music, DJ music, and Bhavagita karaoke music to present these subjects in ways you've never experienced before. But there's more to this orchestra than just music. The program incorporates magic and illusions, but here's the twist. It reveals all the secrets behind these tricks. This isn't about creating wonder through mystery, but about eradicating superstitions and promoting scientific awareness among students. Every magic trick becomes a science lesson. Every illusion becomes a moment of discovery. It's about building critical thinking and scientific temperament in young minds. This program holds a unique distinction. It's recognized as the country's first and only complete educational entertainment program that perfectly balances curriculum requirements with engaging presentation. The response from the educational community has been overwhelming. Thousands of teachers across the region have provided extensive positive feedback.
ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಮನೋರಂಜನೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಅವರೇ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂತಹ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಳು ಕನ್ನಡ ನಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
ಪಾಠದ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಠ ಎಂಬುವ ತತ್ವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ವಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆಸಕ್ತಿದಾಯಕವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ನಿಂದ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಭರಿತವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Overwhelming. Thousands of teachers across the region have provided extensive positive feedback, both written and through video testimonials. Many educators have expressed their desire for repeat performances, highlighting how effectively the program captures students' attention while delivering curriculum content. The beauty of this program lies in its comprehensive approach. It doesn't replace your textbooks, it brings them to life. Students find themselves eagerly participating in lessons that once seemed challenging. Teachers discover new ways to connect with their students through subjects that become memorable experiences rather than mere academic requirements. For schools planning to attend this program at the cluster level, here's what you need to know. Make sure your students bring their Kannada, Hindi, English and math textbooks. This isn't just a show to watch. It's an interactive learning experience where students actively participate with their study materials. If you want to understand more about what this program offers, visit the A11 School TV YouTube channel. You'll find detailed videos showcasing the program's methodology and impact. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and make sure you press that notification bell to stay updated with new content. You can also follow the All India One Man School Orchestra Facebook page for regular updates and behind the scenes content. Additionally, subscribe to the All India One Man School Orchestra YouTube channel for comprehensive program coverage. For schools interested in bringing this transformative educational experience to their students, contact your cluster resource officer or reach out directly to the program manager, Manjanadi Mangaluru, at mobile number 93431-93431. They'll provide you with all the details about scheduling, logistics and how to make this program part of your school's educational calendar. This program
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಪಾಠನೂ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಖುಷಿ ಪಟ್ಟರು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹುಡುಗರು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು, ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ.
details about scheduling, logistics and how to make this program part of your school's educational calendar. This program represents a new era in education, one where learning becomes joyful, where curriculum becomes creative and where students develop both academic knowledge and scientific thinking. It's an opportunity you won't want your students to miss. From all of us at Manjanadi Mangaluru, Dakshin Kannada, we extend our warmest greetings and heartfelt thanks. May this program bring joy to learning, wisdom to young minds and success to all educational endeavors. May good happen to everyone and may all students and teachers find happiness in this beautiful journey of learning together.
ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಪರ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಹ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಮರ್ಮವನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಈಗ ಪೊಯಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿಲಂ ಸಾಂಗ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿದಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲಿತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಗಿಮಿಕ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಿಲಂ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಪೊಯಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪಾಠನ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ.